You'll never throw eggshells away again. Do this and save your money. And folks, that's right. Not only are eggshells very useful, but you can even make money from them. For this tip, start by placing the shells in a blender. Here, I have the shells from about 6 eggs. Next, let's add 4 cups of hot water. The water needs to be very hot, and you'll understand why soon. Once that's done, cover the blender and blend until all the shells are crushed. Now, add a grated bar of soap. I'm using a neutral one here, but you can use any you prefer. This is why the water needs to be hot, so the soap will dissolve more easily. After adding all the soap, blend again thoroughly. You'll be surprised at what you can do with eggshells. I never imagined that using something I was going to throw away could be so useful. After blending all the soap, turn off the blender and add 1½ tablespoons of sugar. I'm using refined sugar here. And finally, add the same amount of baking soda, 1½ tablespoons. Then blend again until everything is well mixed. Once that's done, it's ready. Now, just pour our mixture into several containers. Or, if you prefer, you can put it all in one large container. At this point, you might be curious, wondering what this is for. What we've just made is a powerful homemade scouring powder. That's right. It's a wonderful product to clean metal items, aluminum pieces, bathroom fixtures, and more. Eggshells are extremely abrasive, which allows them to remove long-standing, heavy dirt. And combined with the other ingredients, it will make your cleaning tasks much easier. Take this pan, for example. It's all dirty and burnt. Anyone who's tried to remove this knows how difficult it is. You could scrub for hours, and at most, you'll lighten the burn marks. So here's what you should do. Take our product. See how it has a great consistency. With a sponge, take a small amount. Then just scrub where you want to clean. And like magic, the dirt comes off with little effort. The best part is that it not only cleans but also leaves a beautiful shine. And as I said, you can use this on all types of metal and aluminum items in your home. Look at the result. Amazing. See the shine it left on the pan. It's definitely worth trying, and I'm sure you'll love it.